maligaya sa ating ligaya. Yes, and of course, the cake is brought to you by Front Row International. Palakpakan naman, everybody! Everybody, isa pa, isang sigaw naman siya na Happy Birthday, James Street! 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday!
Thank you, JDs. I love you. Thank you so much, Front Row. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Front Row. Happy birthday!
Yes!
Hey, agad ulit tayo.
Sige, ayan, mga gusto nyo talaga, yung mga bawal eh. Ayo, mga ano din kayo, pag kami napahamak. Are you surprised?
Yes.
Alright, anyway, ayan, nabati na natin lahat si James. Siguro naman it's time na para ituloy natin, di ba? Yung concert, ayan. Meron pa kami mga surprises para sa inyong lahat.
Tama, before anything else, meron pa tayong dapat pasalamatan, parang ko, di ba?
Yes, we'd like to thank you. Say thank you